Hey guys, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. Now in this video, remember last time we did a complete plain text, for Flask with the Python. So in this video, we are going to learn on how to really add an HTML page. But at the moment, the page I'm going to be adding, I'm going to add up a complete static HTML page, and then we see how the page will react towards the stuff, right? Or towards the Flask with Python. Now, this way will happen to stop last time from our previous video. This is a complete text, okay? This is just text, plain text. This is plain text, you get? Now, we may need at the moment to see how we can actually do something with it, because if you check on a plain text, you just get this. But now we want to get up a complete real product, of our Python, to get at least something that it's really look like an HTML. Now let's look onto just going to take like 2 minutes to have that done. So let's just look onto this video, a few minutes I'm having to see how we can add a real HTML into this page, and then we'll see what takes place. Now, I'm just going to open up my Flask. I'm going to move this return, that's the main point here, so that I can just change this onto real HTML, like that. Now, I'm just going to come back here. Remember, always HTML starts with HTML, if you guys remember very well, and you close HTML. Sorry. Some of you are about asking, what if I break here? You see, if you break, see. So inside there, this way we write our HTML page. This one you can even go further and you say node doc type HTML. Then inside here, you go and write the body if you want to give the body of HTML, the body, and inside the body you can go further and say maybe H1. Just say we're going to talk to H1 again, and this is going to be maybe introduction to Python web design. Introduction to Python web design. That implies if I try to run here, it's already running. So if I just click here and I try to launch here, we should get this introduction to Python web design. Okay? So that's a complete HTML. I think you can see HTML content. You can even go further and you add some kind of stuff to the body, like maybe styling up the body, where you can simply give something called a style. You get? So you can style up the body by saying maybe margin 0 pixels, padding 0 pixels. You get? Maybe background to be maybe this one here, CF, like that. You get? Then also add also maybe okay, that's what I may take for now. So if you check right now again on application, after saving there, you should be having that kind of background body. That implies at the moment you have already even happened to add a background to our Python website. We just need to make our title to look like something very pleasant. So I'm going to go back in here and I just go to our HTML and I open up some few stuffs. You may talk to background. Maybe the background to be maybe, I may say the background to be blue for now. Background to be blue, and then the color to text to be white. You get? And then at the end of this HTML, I'll add there horizontal line, so that you check you have something like that. You get? We have the horizontal line passing through that. We can even add padding to our element. padding element like maybe of 8 pixels. Yeah, padding element of 8 pixels. So that have something like that. So that's how you add a simple HTML element. You can even go further and no text alignment, text align, maybe center. You get? So I think that's it. That's it for now. For this video, that's it. Now I'm going to be showing you guys completely in the next video how do you really make a real HTML website with Python. How do you come up with your complete Flask Python website? Now this one here we are just getting into, but it's not the right thing to do. Whatever we are looking onto now, this is just like complete beginner's point. Now we are going to learn on to how do we say maybe I want to come up with create up a complete content. How do they follow? How do you write styles now? You live this way, how you see me styling up the site. Yes, this is called inline styling. It's good, but I don't encourage you guys, especially you guys are watching my videos. Ever much I've made this for you, but I don't advise you to take it because it's for complete beginners. And now there's some other ways that you're going to learn how to pick an HTML element. Like you don't need to talk to HTML element directly like this inside Python, Flask. It's not good practice. We need to create something called HTML templates, which will be handling up any file of HTML file or any HTML file which will be having up a template. Then to CSS is not a good practice to apply, but you can actually apply it. That one is not a problem, but it's not a good practice to apply CSS like that. We shall create up a file called static that will be handling up with the CSS, and that file static that we are going to create will be the one handling up our CSS. It's the same thing with the JavaScript and the CSS. So my friends, I thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this small video that I've made for you now. I hope you guys love it. Please, if you find it interesting, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Love you all. Thank you.